get started, walk around the entire ramp to inspect the following: safety chains, flooring, landing gear, rear tailplate, loading flaps. Make sure ramp is on level ground. Raise all center stabilizers clear of ground, ensuring that the ramp is resting on the front stabilizer and the rear tailplate. Using the front handle, adjust the front stabilizer to desired level, or if you have a solar lift ramp, use toggle switch. Leading front edge of the ramp deck must be level with the platform deck. Back your trailer up to the ramp until the rear of the trailer fits flush against the leading edge of the ramp. Chock the wheels. Dump the air in the trailer suspension. Adjust front stabilizers to make the ramp leading edge level with trailer. Secure the trailer to the ramp with safety chains. Using the back handles, adjust all center stabilizers until feet rest firmly on the ground. Before loading, walk around the entire ramp to inspect the following: stabilizer feet rest firmly on the ground. Front of the deck is level to the ground and will meet level with the trailer's rear. Load equipment and remember to set the parking brake. Repeat as needed. For more information, reference the operation manual by scanning the QR code at the front of the ramp or visit ledwell.com.